Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. This morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news. Not much happening for earnings this morning, but we will take a look at which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the red this morning, and oil prices have slipped to their lowest since January. Right now, Dow futures are down 0.6%, S&P 500 futures down 0.65%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.53%. Amazon will be having a second Prime Day in October. Their Prime Early Access sale will take place October 11th to 12th in 15 countries, giving shoppers a jump on Christmas. This will be the first time that they've had two of their Prime sale events in 1 year. On their normal Prime Day back in July, they sold more than 300 million items over the 48 hours. Adding a second Prime Day is a way for the company to boost sales as households face the crunch of the fastest inflation in decades and rising interest rates ahead of the holidays. Analysts currently rate the Amazon stock a strong buy with an average upside of 55%. Shares of Chinese electric vehicle company Li Auto are down in the pre-market after the company lowered their Q3 delivery expectations. Li Auto is now expecting to deliver 25,500 vehicles for their Q3. This is compared to the previous guidance of 27,000 to 29,000 deliveries. The company is facing supply chain challenges, even as product demand remains strong. They're working with their supply chain partners to try and speed up deliveries for the future. Analysts do currently rate the Li Auto stock a strong buy with an average upside of 175%. Chevron has partnered up with Japan's leading oil exploration company, Mitsui Oil, on a low-carbon geothermal project. Chevron signed an agreement with Mitsui Oil Exploration to enhance Japan's advanced geothermal power generation capacity by leveraging the Advanced Closed Loop or ACL technology. The partnership opens the possibility of more joint projects using ACL for low-carbon solutions across the globe. Analysts currently rate the Chevron stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 23%. And shares of casino companies like Las Vegas Sands and Melco Resorts are on the rise after it was announced that travel to gambling hotspot Macau will become easier. City officials indicated that looser travel restrictions are due to come in place by November. An e-visa for mainland travelers and tour groups will soon be allowed to visit the gambling hub once again. Mainland gamblers make up about 90% of spending at Macau casinos, driving home the importance of easier entry for these tourists. Analysts rate the Las Vegas Sands stock a strong buy with an average upside of 36%, while the Melco Resort stock is rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 85%. Now, as I said, it is very quiet for earnings today, and the week is fairly quiet as well. At the end of the week, we'll be hearing from Nike and Micron, but for now, we're going to jump right over to the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers are led by Melco Resorts and Entertainment on the news of easier travel to Macau. Under the ticker MLCO, the stock is up over 11%. They're followed by Leslie's under the ticker LESL, up over 10%, and Mr. Car Wash under MCW, up 7%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by LG Display, though I wasn't able to find any distinct news behind the decline. Under the ticker LPL, their stock is down 6.75%. They're followed by Lionheart Acquisition under MSPR, down 6.6%, and National Grid Transco under NGG, down 5.5%. So that is going to be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. Thank you all very much for the early birthday wishes on Friday. I had a great little weekend getaway at the lake, and looking forward to celebrating the actual birthday later this week, but much appreciated, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.